People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Come to Landfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Bless hello and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. I don't know health over wealth. And your health is your wealth, so make sure to take care of it. You see me eat right, drink right, think right, sleep right. You see what I say? Yeah man, this is another video from Lionfoot. I don't know, this one is very important, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? Just someone sent me, big up Ryan, you know, my big mechanic brother. You see me? He sent me this video asking if I know anything about this. See, and the reason why I must play the video, the voice of the person speaking. I'm not gonna show his face, you know, for personal reasons or legal reasons. You get what I say? Or taking another people's content. So I just took the voice. See, and I put it out there for all of my fellow Jamaicans in the UK, you know what I mean, can listen and maybe if it's true, when you can comment and let me know. Zine? Yeah, so basically the person I say, yo, the gentleman I say, have an Asian background, you know what I mean? Asian background, you know what I mean? I say, yo, it's not right. Human rights are being breached, you know what I mean? Yeah. Where they say, no, I'm only for Jamaicans, but I'm not going to hear what going on, Zine? But you don't know the 2nd of December himself take place. Zane, so I'm not going to hear what I'm going to go straight tonight. I don't know, no time for linger, no break for that one. Zane, so make sure you're not going nowhere, you know. Alright.
So this video is extremely important and I need everybody to listen very carefully to the words that are coming out of my mouth and just listen and hopefully spread any kind of awareness for this serious ongoing situation that is actually taking place behind our backs, and none of us have been told what is going on behind our backs. None of us have been told that this is going on. It's some snaky, disgusting crap stuff that isn't actually surprising but is bottom barrel scum, and nobody is talking about it because nobody is raising awareness for it because it's taking place behind our damn backs. But on the 2nd of December there's planning to be a mass deportation of Jamaicans that live here, and they're deporting them back over there despite the fact that they have lived very long lives here in the UK. They are being ripped from their families, and they are doing this when the lockdown ends here in London. And this is an direct form of breaching human rights. It's completely wrong, it's illegal, and they cannot do this, but this is what they are planning to do. Are we surprised? No, this government is corrupt, this entire world is corrupt. It's just absolutely disgusting and shameful. But this is what is going on. People are living in fear. People don't want to speak out about it for those because they're scared they might be deported, for those Jamaicans who may live here. This is a direct form of disgusting, institutionalized racism that we are seeing here. It's sickening, vile, and I just have no words. But I thought I have to do something on this because this is what is going on, and you probably wouldn't have heard of this anywhere. This may highly likely be the first time that you are hearing of this news, because this is what is going on, and they're planning this behind the number of people. It's not exact as to the amount of people, but they are going to do this. They attempted to do it a while ago, guys, if we remember, earlier this year, I believe, but obviously that got put to a stop simply because there was public outcry and protests, and people were obviously raising awareness for it. But they're trying to do it again, and look how they're trying to do it on the day that lockdown ends, where people are looking forward to that day because they can go to the gyms, go out, go restaurants, eating and whatever. This is what they're looking forward to, so their attention is going to be somewhere else. So it was very tactful for them to put this day the same day the lockdown ends, but we have to raise awareness for this disgusting issue where they are trying to deport mass deportations of Jamaicans that live here. It's such a disgusting situation. The windrush, hello, like it's awful. And I'm going to leave a link or two below for more information so that you guys can actually look more into this and hopefully create posts, spread awareness, tweet about it, tweet this video, something, because this is what they're trying to do behind our backs, and we cannot let this run. It's illegal, it's a breach of a human right, it's institutionally racist, it's disgusting, it's an act of white supremacy, and it's absolutely vile. So please guys, spread awareness for this awful situation. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys soon for another video.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I hear what the brother say. Well, the man I say, yo, it's happening behind our backs. I mean, hear nothing about it. Remember the last time a big outcry they go on and petition to stop the plane with how much Jamaicans and, well, mainly Jamaicans. We don't know if it's happening to other nations, Caribbean or African descent, you know what I mean? But, you know, we know the Jamaicans. You see me? And you never see smoke without fire. I say God work in mysterious ways, and it's good when we all communicate, and if you're in doubt, you ask somebody, you know what I mean? Ask for advice or opinions instead of staying quiet, you know what I mean? And worse, if you're a deep person or them thing there, if you stay quiet, it can get worse, you know what I mean? Yeah, so, where they are going on? Where they are last weekend, to be precise, I think it was Saturday. But it's from a regular food store, you know what I mean? Big up Coronations, you know, market, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know. You see me in a Peckham there and thing, and the brother them supply the food from Jamaica and all other different sources, you know. Came in and must say, ask the brother, the shop owner, what he want and all that stuff. So the man say, yo, no Magnum. The man say, no Magnum, nothing no come in, plane just a go. Zine, so him say, 2 planes left. The UK, in space of a week, in space of 2 days. And the man say, 2 planes? What going? How come? The man say, boy, I don't know about people are going, you know. People are going to food that come back on the plane them. You don't know what kind of plane them about. And a British Airways plane. This is where we hear the supplier, the food supplier is telling the shop owner, Zine, on Saturday, me in the shop and I cut my ears and I listen. You see me? And the man say, hey man, 2 planes gone down with beer people and I come back with food. See the people are doing them trading, you know what I mean? Them exporting and importing, you know what I mean? Food that come back to the UK. You see me? Imported. So now me I say, Jaja, surprisingly today now, my brother sent me the link and said, Lionfoot, you know nothing about this? You see me? So me I say, I watch it and hear the brother I say, no, I know about. I flashback on Saturday when I hear the brother I say, Zine, I tell the shop owner. So I reply back to him and tell him, say, no, sir, I don't hear nothing still about. Surprisingly, Saturday, I hear one of the shop man, them, food man, them, I tell the shop owner, say, plane, I go down with people. Zine, and I come up back with food. So I hit him away to see if he can get some shipment. You see me? Because through the lockdown, the plane nothing to leave and fly out and all them things there. But the man said, plane left in space of 2 days with people. See? So if anybody have anyone affected or in that, known of that situation where people are being deported, you know what I mean, wrongfully or, you know, against their will, you know, please comment in the comment section and let me know what's going on. And it's good you share the video and pass it on so people can be aware of what's going on. But what makes it important, him say, yo, at the 2nd of December, when the lockdown is gonna be abolished. See, when the lockdown is open place, I open back again, not to an extent, but maybe to local, you know? Yeah. You said the place is supposed to be opening up back the 2nd of December. So I said that day they might plan to ship down people again where everybody, I know the place open up back, people go out again and a shop man, the stores they go open up back and you know, people go out there about. So the mind I go straight and there's somewhere else because I'm glad for the local opening up back of the country where football will come back again, stores, people can go buy them clothes or whatever. You know what I mean? That's the same day they might plan to do the next mass shipment. But I don't know if others people inside of prison who are incarcerated are people who are out as well. People who are supposed to sign on at the Home Office. Me don't know. You see me? Me don't know. Because I must say, people who they are long, live them life long and they are long. He never say inside who are people who have been locked up. He never state that clearly, but me I assume so maybe people who are inside who are incarcerated, you know? They might try to ship them down. We see them do it regular. You see them do it already, you see me? The viewers and subscribers, we need to come together and share this, and anybody know of anything, you don't know, you can comment in the comment section and talk to each other, advise each other so they can start a petition. You know what I mean? Maybe your family night, maybe one of my family night, you don't know. You see, my viewers and subscribers, we just pass on information because I think it's very important to put out there. You see me? But me I tell you, me here on Saturday, last week Saturday, that was what, the 28th, yeah, the 30th, yeah, the 28th of November, I heard a man telling the shop owner that plane left, with 2 planes left, the people gone down. And the man said, what kind of people? But the man never talk clearly, you know? The man said, why? I don't own a plane, them, but I don't have food that come back in a plane. Them. You see me? Nobody now come back on the plane but food. So what that tells you, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. It's another one from Lionfoot and I don't know my people. Together we rise, divide we fall. See, we can come together. When you see what going on in Denmark where they, yeah, and they say they want to force people against them, win and in breach people rights and come in people house, come take them family and bring them go isolate and juke them up and all of them things there and take you off of the road. And if you not agree, if you take the joke, you have to stay in your house and the house arrest, you can't come out, you can't go work. And Denmark said, no, we ain't having that crap. See me, Denmark said, we ain't having that crap. And what them do? They went out with them pot, them pan, them cup, them saucer, them spoon, them fork, them knife, anything we can make nice. And they went out in mass numbers. You see me? And do them protests. And what? All of them laws and regulations have to scrap. So be okay when I wait for Don't wait till it's too late. Or don't wait till you turn up on your gate. I don't know a Lionfoot, you know. I love when you know. Peace and love. Yeah? You get me? 95 rhythm. Also, please go and check this out. Stream it, add it to your playlist. Show the support. 8 songs, you know what I mean? And the rhythm. The instrumental is called 9 to 5. I don't know. Peace and love. A Lionfoot, and I'm out.
Big and Lionfoot TV, fresh food, seafood limited, Peckham Rye, nice and fresh seafood. Yeah man, always, all the way from Kingston. Yeah man, this is Lionfoot TV, Lionfoot TV, fresh fish, seafood, Peckham Rye. Yeah man, Caribbean place. Yes.